today's video, we are going to be doing a fun one. I am going to be reviewing a Teddy Blake luxury bag, and I'm super excited about this because I've had my eye on Teddy Blake previously in the past, really looking into their bags because they sell their bags that have luxury design. They're made out of luxury, they're made with quality, and they're made with Italian leather. However, they do not sell them at the luxury prices that we all know that we've seen before. So when they reached out to me, I was super excited to go ahead and work with them. So I just want to say thank you to Teddy Blake for choosing me to work with me to review your bag. It came right on time, right when I needed. I'm on my no spin, as you guys know. So to be able to get this bag and review it and see just, how really good it is, I'm excited to do that for all of my budget besties, because we know that we like luxury, but we don't want to pay the coin for it always. So let's go ahead and get into the video. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving, and paying off debt. And like I stated, today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Teddy Blake bag. So here, as we do focus on saving, definitely if you can get a luxury item and you're able to save money on it, we're definitely going to do our very best to do that. We are always looking to save money on quality things that last for a long time. And so during this time right now, they are having a sale, which is great. If you are on the no spend, then this sale is probably not for you unless it's in your no spend rules. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the website because I do want to show you guys the different options, and I want to show you the website just in case you are interested and you are able to go ahead and see the different bags that they have and what they look like. And I'm just going to go ahead and flip the camera over and let's get to it. All right, so we are here on the Teddy Blake website, and I can already tell you, besties, one thing that I love about Teddy Blake is that it is luxury done right. However, it does not come with the luxury price that we all know of. But with Teddy Blake, there is no compromise on the quality of your leather bag. These bags come with an experience. Teddy Blake has dream designs, and with a team of Italian designers pitched from well-known luxury brands, Teddy Blake creates handbag designs for every style, every kind of bag that you like and choice that you would enjoy. So one thing to note is that Teddy Blake bags are made with premium Italian leather. You can enjoy the luxury feel of the bag and also the smell of real leather. And if you know anything about the smell, that's important. So they're truly made in Italy. Respecting the label's history, they make sure that each bag is characterized by high quality construction, the attention to detail, the imaginative design, the shape and durability, and they use all of the same materials as all of the other luxury brands. And like I stated earlier, they never compromise on the quality. So please be sure to visit the Teddy Blake website. Take a look at all of the many collections that they have. They have small bags, medium bags, they have large bags, they have a lot of different colors that you'd be able to choose from. And I do have a discount code for my besties. I'm always thinking about you guys. You will be able to take advantage of the summer discounts that they're having right now of up to 70% off. Now let's get into my luxury dream bag. I'm going to tell you guys the bag that I chose. Let's get into it. This is the box that the bag actually comes in. It has black on the side, white there. When you do open up the bag, or the box rather, it says here, Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Let me tell you, the box already smells like luxury, okay? I'm not kidding. And then inside there, it just says to share your look with us on Instagram using the Teddy Blake hashtag. And then here on this side, it also has something, discover your Teddy Blake designer handbag. So this is the box. It's a pretty big luxury box. Then inside it does come in this actual plastic here that kind of keeps the bag secure. And even this has that luxury smell, you guys. One thing about me, I love the way that luxury things smell. I love the way that tennis shoes smell when you first get a fresh pair of sneakers. And then I love luxury bags. I love when you walk into certain malls and it has that rich smell. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. All right, and this is the bag. It comes in the Teddy Blake bag. Here it has a duster bag that's going to keep your bag secure, and it's going to keep it with good quality. A lot of luxury brands, they definitely have a duster bag. And then it has these little strings where you're able to close it up, but this duster bag is amazing. So the bag that I chose was the Vanessa Pomelato 14-inch, and it is in black and red. It has the red interior and it's black on the outside. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. And the smell, I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. It smells just like luxury, and I 100% love it. This bag, it feels amazing. Let's talk about the specs to this bag. Today's woman, the Vanessa Tate's elegant look is handcrafted in strong, scratch, resilient Palmetto crust leather, presenting with a semi-structured silhouette and a roomy interior. It features a medium zipper pocket for essentials. Polish every style choice by carrying this new, stylish, lightweight tote by the round, elegant handles, or attach the leather adjustable shoulder strap. It's made in Italy, Palmetto crust, semi-rigid textured calfskin leather, real suede interior, and gold-toned hardware. This bag is awesome. Let's get into the details. So the leather definitely feels really, really nice. It feels sturdy. It's just the way that it's crafted. This is definitely my style. This is something that you would see me with 100%. This is me all day. And I love that here you can close this. You can lock it here on the side, or snap it rather. You can snap it on the side so that the bag will stay closed. So I really like that detail about it. I really like this detail as well, where it has the apple for Teddy Blake, New York, and it just hangs right on the front there. And on the inside of the bag, well, before we go on the inside, on the sides of the bag, it has a snap opening and closure as well. This is a way that you can keep your bag closed, or you can open it up a little bit more when you unsnap the snap closure there. And then I love that it has feet. Every luxury bag, well, I don't know about every bag, but I like when they have feet because you can keep the bottom of your bag nice and clean. And so when you open up the bag, the red, y'all, this is nice. This is 100% nice. And I see that it has the strap. I'm just gonna put the strap to the side right now so that I can show you guys the inside of the bag, so you can see that red sexy inside. I love a good red interior, but not in the car. I don't like red interior in the car. It looks very tacky to me. That's just me, don't judge me. But inside of this red bag is amazing. And this here is the part in the middle for the essentials that they talked about. So if you want to put any essential items in there, like hand sanitizer, your wallet, you probably put the wallet on the other side, but any small essentials that you may have, you can put that in the bag, in the middle part right there. And the zipper on here, sturdy for sure. The gold detail is just really, really nice. That's how you can tell that it is luxury and really made with care and design. So here is the strap. I really like the strap here. The gold design is nice as well. I really like here it says Teddy Blake. I've always wanted to do this, but I have no reason to, because I'm not like a what are those YouTubers, like beauty YouTubers or whatever? They do this to show you stuff. I don't know if that's gonna work here, but anyway, it says Teddy Blake right here, which is, I think, really awesome. And then here I think that you can adjust the strap by kind of taking these out and moving it down a little bit to make it a little bit longer. But I think this is a really good size for me when I connect it in there. But I really like this bag. This bag is amazing. I really like it because I will be able to fit everything that I need in this bag. I'm a girl who really takes the world with her everywhere. So I have so much stuff in my purse. I do not travel light. I want to make sure I have everything. So I have my wallet, I have my keys, I have hand sanitizer, I have water, I have my makeup bag, which is kind of small, but I have that. I just want to be able to have a lot of room, and a lot of my purses sometimes are really little and it doesn't fit everything. So this is 100% me, and I really love the strap that it has on it because I don't have to always hold it like this, or I can hold it like this as well. I like it because I can even hold it like this, which I do hold my bags like this sometimes. Sometimes I hold them the bougie way, like this, you know, the bougie girls. And then sometimes I just hold it like this. I do use the strap as well. So when you put the strap on it, I want to show you guys how it looks. So then you can just put it, well, I probably need to stand up. So I'm going to be a little bit out of frame, my head. So sorry. But you can wear it like this. You can wear it with a crossbody, but I will probably wear it like that. You can wear it like this. Or you can wear it like I explained earlier, where you can wear it all the way up at the top. And so I actually wear my bags always, okay, just however I'm feeling at the time. And I really even just like how the strap will hang. I like that look with the strap hanging as well. So I am really happy with this bag. Once again, I want to thank you, Teddy Blake, for working with me and sending this bag over. This, besties, this is the way that we want to go. If you like luxury, if you're interested in a bag that will last you a long time, that is made out of quality products, that will last a long time, but that you can get it cheaper, why won't you do that? So I am really excited about this bag that was sent to me. Thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sending this and working with me. I cannot wait to start wearing this. And I do have a discount code for you guys, besties. If you are interested in this bag, where you will be able to enjoy additional savings off of this luxury brand, trust me, you will not be disappointed. I will not. One thing that I want to tell you guys that I'm not going to do is I will never try to work with the brand just to work with the brand or sell you something. It has to be something that I believe in. And if you guys know me, besties, then you know. I get so many emails about brands wanting to work with me, and I do not work with every brand at all. So, said that to say, this is a keeper. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.